Anak Jo, good morning. Thank you so much sa pasulubong mo. Thank you for your present gift to us. Thank you for this lovely clothes for Athena Kappa. And this is very nice. Thank you. And my vitamins also. Thank you very much. And of course, this lovely chocolates. Yan, napakadami. Thank you very much. And my lipstick. Yeah, I love it. And also this, I love banana. Para kay Bibi Athena. Thank you. And of course, especially sa bag. So, thank you very much, Nakjo. Ayan, napakaganda siya with wallet. And this hot oil for hair. Thank you. And also this Benetton bag for Joy. Thank you very much, Nakjo. And thank you also sa tulong mo sa visa ni Joy coming there. Thank you sa binigay mo rin sa kanyang cash. At sa pag-accommodate mo dyan sa bahay mo. Thank you for 3 days. Thank you, Nakjo. And sa imong salon, thank you very much also. Sa mga employees mo, thank you. And kay Baby Draco. Thank you, Nakjo, for everything. God bless. Good health. And more blessings to come. Thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you so much. I'm always here. Just watching your videos and photos. I'm happy. So happy for your achievement in life. God bless, Nak. Thank you. We love you. And also Daddy say thank you for the chocolate. Thank you, Nak. God bless. Bye.